is Ovard and this is KPTV.
Here we are, born to be kings. We're the princes of the universe. Here we belong.
And Westfields with the first run of the day away from the Keebra Park line. Ezekiel able to run again. Lee Harris hit by Herman Retzlaff. Shot. A Herminator. Shot. To come up with that with Payne. Helmet up and then a huge tackle.
Gets it. Oh! Welcome to Suncorp, says Moses on McCallum.
Out they come. Verratti, he's picked up and driven.
Here we are, we're the princes of the universe. Here we belong, fighting for survival.
Hey, this is Nelson. On this episode of KPTV, Keebra vs Marsden, round 4, Langer Trophy.
Try and be a little bit careful with your words. I want to be able to use some of them. Yeah, just go and be you and. Right, sweet. If you want, but just yeah. Stiff arm. Stop it, Normie. On camera. Woo! Got heaps of chat. Here come. Kick and cop right now. Let's go. Someone come out. You want a curve? Curve? Watch. Oh!
Wheel 1, Tom 2, Barley 3, Honey 4, Reece 16 over 17 and Hoffman 19.
There's one over there if you want it.
Guys, everyone squared away. But do not get bluffed out of this game, right? By not having the line sweep.
You're in the middle, boys. Okay, you were in the middle last week. Got it. So forwards, you've got to lay the platform down. You've got to match their intensity, and it comes down to your effort. We spoke about that in our video. You've been told what you need to fix, so go out there and show us if you can do it. Okay? At marker, we're passive. If their 9 gets out, wait, don't go. Okay? If he passes it off the ground, get over there and help out. Don't think the job's done. It's not. Okay, so lay the platform in the middle. Once we get quick play balls and we've won the middle, then we can shift our 80s. Not before that. Does that make sense? So forwards got a big job tonight. Alright? Good for me.
Okay, bags, let's get in behind our thing. We'll do our prayers.
Everyone's got a job. Start thinking about your job. If you do your job for the team, we're going to win the year. Make sure you two are just really aggressive in defence here. Let's go, Hilly, bro. Let's go, eh? You forwards, you've got to set the platform here, Ovard. Let's go. Repeat efforts, repeat efforts. Pushing every single play. Make sure he's always pushing up. If there's a half break, he's got to be there.
We need to win that middle, you know, the backs are there, but we need to win the middle. We set the tone, we set the pace, we set the speed.
It's all down to you. Win the middle, win the middle. Last week we were poor. All right, let's go. Come on, get in here, let's go. Let's go now.
Right, stay focused, right? Don't get in front of yourself, right? You know what you need to do, kick off. Let's win the middle, right? Away we go. Let's go out there, fellas.
Heads in, let's go.
Yeah, boys. Let's win the middle today.
Yeah, I got us.
Let's go.
Boys, position 3, 1, 2, 3, fire!
We have the tunnelling, and here come the Marsden side. My name's John Devine. Joining me this evening is Kenny Andreas. Kenny, you're at ground level. Not as cool as last week here, but we're in for an explosive and hot game.
Not wrong, as we see the Flames are up there as the two sides make it out to the field here on a night.
Yeah, they come Keebra. In slightly warmer conditions here, Kenny, the Keebra side, mate.
Yeah, let's be visiting Keebra's side.
Let's lead here. Aggressive here. Aggressive. Let's go. Shot coming. Let's go.
Took 2 or 3 carries in the first set. And there's a kick looking for a 40-20. That's not looking too bad. It will be a 40-20 to start the game. He'll look for a forward run, but he's going to actually find the big fella. And Faguta within 5 metres of the line. Dummy half now is to Wheeler. Arms in the air looking for a penalty. Doesn't get it. He's going to look for Timu with the tape on. Goes forward. He's been tackled there by Tuisi. He gets the offload there. It's going to be skived on there by Keebra. So an error, and the 40-20 is wasted.
Absolutely, and you couldn't ask for a better start for the home side here.
The 20-metre line. Again, they start rumbling the forwards. Good metres here, and a charge almost to the 40-metre line as Keebra work their way out nicely from their own end. A no-look pass there from Ewing. He finds the forward runner, and that there is Tuisi again. He gets over halfway. It's the last tackle. Get up and play it will Tonga. Sorry, that was Borg. Now the prop forward. Lailua still going. Lailua gets a wrestle through. Rabadi has to pull him down.
Strong run.
25 metres out from the try line. Now it's the last tackle. It's with Hill. Puts a kick in. Is there anybody home? Hill's coming through, putting some pressure on the winger over there in Tui, and he's been driven back in the in goal here. So now he's going to
Let's get some depth.
Back there, and Nelson, his twin brother, fires it out the back. Cave Hill. Here's a chance here. And they go over and score their first try. And Khan Pereira will get the first 4-pointer, Kenny, or bench. As we wait for this conversion, 4-0. Doesn't look too bad. It's good.
Not bad.
Like the quick play the ball, the dummy half there, Brandon Ewing is just getting the boys on their feet nice and quickly. Good service to his next ball carrier, and this one's going to go into the in-goal area. Away go Keebra. Well, a try. Look what happens when you score a try. The big fella, Elifasa Lailua, the man Kenny Andreas mentioned there. They get a penalty. Tonga. Dart from dummy half is Ewing, and Ewing gets the offload down to Richie Owani. Owani bounces out at 1, gets to the 30-metre line now. Owani, good field position again, this time for Keebra Park. They go to the left-hand side. Nelson Ewing pops out back to Tua, the fullback. Clark turns it back inside. It's still alive. Here's a chance at the corner for Vickery. Vickery for the corner, and Vickery scores.
From the other side of the field, which is technically your offside. It should be more comfortable for him.
Comfortable. He's got that one as well. 12-0. So,
money.
2 from 2 for Vickery. He gets a try along with Khan Pereira on the other side, and all of a sudden Marsden, the crowd's gone a little bit quiet. Relief. What's this been? A punishing display up the middle of the ball carries there for Keebra Park.
Some of the calls from the sideline going, we just need to get the ball back, we need possession. Yeah, that's right. Oh, geez, a bit of awkwardness off the kickoff there, Devine.
Well, you did mention there was a fairly dewy, and that's exactly what it was. Once again, good carry here from... They get a penalty. See, now I don't understand this. Like Lula gets the penalty. That's the second one for not getting off the player. That's the 20-metre line just in front of him. That's the way for go behind him is Cade Hill. He puts that in the air. Not the greatest of bombs here. Will be probably allowed to bounce by Keebra. It's alive. Needs the bounce. It's going to be knocked on. I think that'll be a scrum feed there to Keebra. About 10 out, Ken. They're going to go the blind side here. Short ball, strike time. Is it denied? No, the referee says it's a try. And
nice Tommy.
What are we doing? 3 from 3.
What are we doing in the half? I'm not even allowed to play.
Keebra on their own try line again.
Finally got some possession here. I think they've got to resist the temptation to try and hit them too tricky here. I know it's 18-0 down, but you can still work your way back into 6 points. Oh, look at the defence from Keebra.
So Tyrone Sow.
And
penalty.
2T. Willie. Go, push that. Wait, call it, 2-2. 3-2. Let's play, settle. Let's go, Richie. It's all right. Want to settle there? Here, Willie. Just got to settle there. Yeah. So call that ball. Oh, get him that ball on 2-on-3 every time. Get him the ball.
Downs to the dummy half. He sends to the left-hand side. Taking along with a little kick there is Andrew. And that's going to be a try, and it's going to be Keenan Timu, the number 12. I think he got most of them too. He strikes that one nicely, and that.
Let's go now. Keep it on. They're down on confidence. Let's keep going. Here.
Drums are pounding here at Marsden. Fagutu runs into the opening arms there of Lailua, who's all over the park here at Marsden. Show and go. The Hookers going for another run down there. It's to Wheeler. He gets the offload to Wheeler. Finds Andrew Tato, and Tato gets to the 30-metre line. Downs the dummy half. He goes for a bit of a goose step. Sees a bit of a gap there between two forwards and closes pretty quickly. That's the 20. Still a couple of tackles to go here for Marsden. They go to the left-hand side. In the hands there of Andrew Manau. Sends it into the hands of Sal. Sal, the centre. Sal's going forward, and Sal trying to reach out and score the try. Now it's the last tackle here for Marsden. Dummy half goes for it. He did it last week. Tawila, is he there? He has. Tawila has scored a try from dummy half. He did it last week, and he's done it again tonight. Palm Beach are playing inside the kick. I
was wondering if he was going to call that. I didn't want to say it. Are they going to take a crack here? I call that for this kick attempt.
It's low and flat. It's not going to. He's only just get to the 10, and they're going to run it out from here. Their own try line will Keebra Park. So whether there was minutes left on the clock, but in the meantime, it's going to be a knock on. No play on. 6 to go. Says referees. Ball picks it up, and ball will be tackled to Wheeler. And there's a half time. You were spot on, Kenny Andre. So half time, Marsden, after being down 18-0, have regrouped to be down 18 points to 10.
Mr. Campbell briefly mentioned it. These guys come back from 18-0 down last year to come back and knock us off. Okay, they knocked us out last year after being down 18-0. They were down 18-0 in the first half, and now it's 18-12. Okay, the start of the game, your effort plays were outstanding, 10 out of 10. As soon as we had a bit of self-preservation, you know what, there's 3 in there, he's still standing, but I just want to get back from there, so I've got the line speed. Don't save yourself, get in there and finish him off. Okay, if they want to stand there and fight, whack them. It's rugby league, fight some aggression. Okay, because as soon as we had self-preservation, we want to look after ourselves, they put 2 tries on us. Okay, you're a team. Get in there, work together, do the little 1% is right that you did at the start of the game, and we'll be sweet. Yeah. Okay, because they're going to keep playing out for the next 30 minutes, I guarantee you that.
Yeah. As we mentioned in the call, that they came from 16-0 down against Wavell 2 weeks ago to take the win. It was 16-all this time last week against St Mary's. This is Reece Garter. Last tackle now here from Marsden State High School. They're going to put it through the hands for now. Puts a rubber kick in. Foot race is going to beat everybody. Knocked in to touch there. Sal comes for dummy half, and Sal tries to get himself.
Sassy, the job. Sassy, 9.
Cuts him down. 9. What does he do? He goes from dummy half down, driving with the lead.
9.
You're not going to get the opportunity though, Keebra.
Don't switch off that line. You almost got you there, right? Yeah. Let's go. We can't switch off.
White line fever, if that's just not enough talk from the halves.
You can't see him on
the my bad.
Listen, mate, you're not playing.
Sorry about that. Too eager.
Nixon, Andrew goes to the right-hand side instead of grubber kick here. There's traffic in the way here, and it's going to be pounced on by Keebra, but it might be a knock on.
Oh, Keebra's the one clapping it up from what I can see.
Oh, great defence from Keebra once again on their own try line.
So it is getting to crunch time. 8 points the difference, unchanged half-time score. With
That's
both
not going to
teams.
go and find touch there. Coach Killer. Well, he took too many metres.
That is the other side of the two-edged sword of grabbing as many metres as you can off a penalty kick.
They got numbers right. Trying to put this thing to bed here, and they send the front forward in. Lailua.
Doesn't he deserve a try after the first half? Yeah.
Last tackle now. Keebra. Numbers out to the left-hand side. Just got to put it through the hands, and Vickery goes underneath a high shot, and Vickery will score. Tom Vickery gets his second, and none more important than that one.
Very accustomed to seeing at the higher levels of football.
Vickery is not good enough. No. Rabati, he'll get up and play. They go to the right-hand side. Through the hands, and that's going to go through the hands, right into touch.
That's right. That's right. Let him go. Let him go. Get behind him. You sure? Let's go, TC. Let's go. Tighten up, Trey. Trey, tighten up. Make him go around. Make him go around. Yes! Yes! Let's go! Let's go! We got him! We got him! Settle! Settle! Yeah, pull!
For Keebra. They send it out to Hill. Hill, bit of a show and go, then puts the kick on. Oh, and it just falls out of the hands there of Calm Pereira. Otherwise, he's going to get a double there. And being live streamed the Langer Cup and the Aaron Payne Cup too.
Get all your news as well.
Rabati, well, he did it last week. Rabati's going to try and do it again, but they've swamped on him. Rabati, sorry, Kenny. It's going to be the 30-metre. Marsden State High School. Down to Wheeler. He gets his second. Yes, he does. No, not gone.
Yeah, take a strong carry, Sassy. We need to take a strong carry here. Strike.
Short ball charging on the
get there, yeah, baby. Let's go. Up. Let's go.
Show and go here now from Brandon Ewing. Ewing gives it to Hill. Hill across the 20. 10 under the crossbar. Game over. Keebra Park take it.
Oh, yeah,
the
boy.
try from Kate Hill.
Well, he's in the front row there. Borgen Tsonga. And then you got Lailua and Smart, who've just been good carries as victims.
Grass.
Try at the back end.
Oh, you did not want to tackle that.
That back with gusto. 4 minutes left. These lads are going to get a complete advantage of it.
Wheeler does put a kick over the top. For now, it doesn't go into his hands here. It's going to be hands of Vickery, and Vickery will get across the 30-metre line, and Vickery almost ball.
Here.
Look out.
Humble in victory, humble in defeat, baby. Show Willie. Here, let's go. Let's go, one tackle here. Oi, Vale, what's the kick there, bum?
That two will go back.
Vale, what's that cross kick? Watch him, kick.
Cross-field kick.
Yuck.
Juggle. It's dead in goal now. Full time. See, full time, 28 points to 10.
Baby.
Try scores there for.
Free chance for Marsden, we're back.
With a sealer and then a topper as well. And for Marsden State High School, to Wheeler and Timu, the other try scorers.
It's over. Don't be salty, boy. It's just footy.
5 from 6, Kenny.
Let's go!